Make your noise. This is our sippy cup. We try to chew it. We try to bang it into our mouth and we get upset. We do everything but drink out of it. Yeah, how's that taste? You're biting it? Yeah, does it feel good on your teeth? Let's try to drink some water. You've been outside at the SMU game all day today. Yeah. Are you a puppy dog? Na. Sure snorted. Yes, I'm laughing at you, silly. Yes. You're gonna hurt yourself, wild woman. Okay, you want some more? I don't think you've gotten any water in your mouth the whole time you've been playing with this sippy cup. Oh, there's a yawn. It's been a long day, huh? A little more water? No, don't bang it. Don't. There you go. I think you're finally getting some. You gonna do it all by yourself? Okay, you do it by yourself. Sure. I don't think you're gonna get any water out of the handle, silly. Careful. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. You got water on your boobies. See if we can get her to pant like a dog again. You gonna hold it? Okay. I'll let you hold it. Here. Are you hungry? Is that why you're trying to bite it? Okay, we've had enough.